So hello everyone, quick update on the Command Citadel. We've got some HUD going on here, just added the top side, some technical map, this will be removed. We've got the season on the top left of the map. Mostly it was UI implementation. This is also done using Slate in C++ in Unreal Engine. Better blueprint implementation will come later on, mostly widget one. We've played a little bit with the top, left, and right side. The middle is, of course, subject to change. Everything is subject to change, but mostly that's the thing at the moment. So we got some information, basic stuff. If we select one of the characters, one of the frames, we got a labor frame. It says the task, what's the integrity, meaning the health. Some blueprint. This is some debug logic. If we move it, then we get the task being updated, right? We should also have some gathering, right? With selection card also on the left side here. We got then the routing drone. This is also having real-time logic updating. Of course, this in the future will be probably updated with, I don't know, icons or other stuff like that. We'll add also some UI implementation for the gathering, but mostly this was done to create a skeleton for the UI. It will be ultimately built. We've got also selection of the nodes. I don't know if that will remain in the end, but it helps at the moment. Also, a new thing is the map. We have a maximum zoom out, zoom in, as it can be seen during the middle mouse scrolling movement. But if we are pressing the M key now, we should get a full top-down view. It's basic, but it's a start, right? It's a move out, move in, pressing M, toggle it in, toggle it out. You also have scroll in that moves into the level. So if we scroll in, we can move back into the level and then move forward. So zoom in forward, and then when we zoom out, it has the maximum zoom out allowance that it's the basic logic that we had before. Then if we press M, we go in the full map view. This will allow us to see the level more ample and far better. I'm thinking also there will be UI implemented for different areas like buildings or even like waypoints, but this is again something that comes later on. I'm focusing right now to get the basic UI done and then have some gameplay loop going on, the full master bible of the whole game, storyline and logic. Everything is mostly done, but we're moving with them. We should also have we should also have the proper logic now to place a building by pressing by pressing B. We got a building here, so we got a catalog, building mode, mining operation. If we right click here, it says that we require wood, the stone. So if we move this guy here, let me see, we have this one. Oh, taking out the building mode, then move this guy here. This is the wood node, so we should be able to set him together. So I start in the gathering. Does he? I think we need the frame and then the drone. If that's right. Yeah. And then the move is going on. The wood is going on. Then we should be able, once we have 40 wood, we're gonna plus to build and then have the mining, which would put here on the stone. You can select it also. So I'm turning building mode off, then selecting the extractor link, which is the mining building. It's buffering. We can also relocate with R, so we can move it. Select one unit in the building, and then we should be able to move it. Right. Then we can take the root drone, little guy and assign it to the extractor link, and the drone will then route through the extractor link to the base and storage. So yeah, this is for this small thing that we've done. Basic UI, we got a sector, some corruption zone. This is part of the lore and of the whole system that we'll not get into it right now. But yeah, that's it. Some UI, some map, camera movement, zoom in, zoom out, and probably some small updates that we didn't showcase in the last video. So yeah, that's it for the Command Citadel for this time. Thanks a lot and see you soon.